So hello everyone, I'm very glad to see you. So today I'm prepared cool exercise for summer beach season for your excellent beach body. So let's begin. Go to this position, yes, white position, and don't fast, yes, move right and left. Go. Also remember for your back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, also straight your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And also change position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so get over straight our legs, right? And go. Breathe in, go to your fingers. Breathe. So I'm so sorry. Breathe in, go to your fingers. Breathe out, go to the heels. Also remember about straight back. It's not back, straight. It's this. So okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Also keep this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, also try new exercise. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Cool. So have a rest. A few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So please repeat this exercise on your heels. Yes. It's a very good exercise for your whole, yes, all muscles of your leg. So I think it's very good exercise for making a body of your dream in the summer beach season. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, also if you more advanced pupil, you can go to the elbows, yes, and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also on your heels, right? Know your step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Cool. Breathe in. Whew. And breathe out also. If you're beginner, you can also stay on your step and straight your hand, right? It's not a problem. It's very good because it's learning, develop and learning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, cool. Whew. Have rest. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after that you will do this exercise. I'm so sorry, I don't know how to say in English. Yes, and if you know, please let me know in comments. Thank you. And go breathe in and breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and sit straight your back. Remember, don't this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, also go to the this and also sit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, after that you can have rest, but if you more straight, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, be very careful because it's very difficult exercise. So, but it's very cool. Okay, cool. And also another leg. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So okay, also sit. You can sit in this position a lot of time. Yes, it's everything and depends of your experience. Yes, and your skills, knowledges, educational and learning about stretching, right? So if you're beginner, you can sit only for example 5 seconds, and step by step every day in your training you will do longer this position, right? Because you have more power. So also I do this step by step, but right now maybe I can sit it in 1 hour. You can also sit in this position, listen to music or watching TV, something else, and so it will be very good for your hips. You can remember, you can believe me. Okay, so thank you. I will be continue my training in the next video, so also please do repeats of this exercise, maybe 3-2 times. It will be enough, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and so if you want to learn something new with me, so welcome to my channel and watching all my videos. I hope you can find something interesting for you, and so thank you so much for your supporting of me, and see you soon. Bye bye.